Stir Fried Kailan with dry shrimp. Ingredients: 1 pieces of garlic, dry shrimp, 2 pieces of onions, ½ teaspoon corn flour, 2 teaspoons water, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, a pinch of salt, a pinch of sugar. Directions: clean dry shrimp and vegetable first. Cut the garlic and onions into small pieces. After cut onions, we need to fried onions till crispy. After that, we can put aside first. Heat up the oil, then put the garlic and dry shrimp together. After the color a little bit changes, put the kailan and fried it together. Add a little bit water, sugar, salt and oyster sauce where already mixed with corn flour. Stir fry until the vegetables are evenly coated in the sauce and the leaves have withered. Then put the vegetable into plate and top up with fried onions.